What is the Coming of Age Day? Coming of Age Day is a Japanese holiday to congratulate people who became 20 years old. In Japan, 20 years old is the age of majority. The coming of age ceremony in Japan is a very important event for young people. It is held on the second Monday of January. And they go back to hometown for the ceremony. Let's see the movement on the day of the ceremony. In morning, they attend the ceremony. Women 20-year-olds are likely to wear kimono. After the ceremony, they are going to meet their friends from middle school, high school and their school reunion. The coming of age ceremony in Japan is a very important event for young people. Through this ceremony, they will renew their resolve and jump into society as a member of society. They start second life to fly to new world. Congratulations!